поздно сердце остывает, гаснет будто звезды, и никто не знает, что же будет после. Разгорится или потухнет вовсе. Стой, подожди, не торопи события. Не говори, что ничего не выйдет. Лишь посмотри, лишь намекни мне. Спрячься в моих глазах, я не отпущу тебя, ты спрячься в моих глазах. Среди этих чувств, ведь я не хочу терять, ты спрячься в моих глазах. Я не отпущу тебя, ты спрячься в моих глазах. Среди этих чувств, ведь я не хочу терять. Ты и я сменим дым на воздух, холоднее, тая. Стало все не просто, мосты горят, но не греет, впрочем, пускай горят, пускай горят. В голове бардак, фары слепят глаза. Хотел убежать, не смотреть назад. Люди и дома спят в объятиях города. Не спеши ломать себя и меня. Ты стой, подожди, не торопи события. Не говори, что ничего не выйдет. Лишь посмотри, лишь намекни мне. Спрячься в моих глазах, я не отпущу тебя, ты спрячься в моих глазах. Среди этих чувств, ведь я не хочу терять, ты спрячься в моих глазах. Я не отпущу тебя, ты спрячься в моих глазах. Среди этих чувств, ведь я не хочу терять тебя.
Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, let's start here, guys. The stream. Almost the music now is low. Okay, let's go. Let's move on. Sorry. I want everything perfect and it doesn't go perfect, but well, let's start. What we have here? We have ES finding such a support here on the VPOC. I took a trade for hours this morning from this move here. You can see it. And Bitcoin is on a good, interesting part. We are trading here Bitcoin. I'm gonna mess it up. We are trading above this initial balance of these days. That's bullish, and we have attacked the 95k area with some strength, but with this price action, for me, it's screaming upside on a Friday. Okay, guys, I'm gonna remember to give a like and comment the stream. I will answer everybody here on the chat. Okay, let's start with some stuff. I'm gonna send here and send here. Okay, let me start this to my people. Let's see if we can get a trade, everything going Bitcoin or ES. I don't care which one. We trade both. This I posted on Chroma. If this sweep was made on the New York Open, I would get it. But how this was not done on the New York Open, we wait. Okay, so for now, price is still here. We had a 5-minute ES. So this is SPX. This is also SPX 30 minute. We are trading on the POC of yesterday, creating value area low of the day, and Bitcoin for now is trading pretty sideways. I don't know why this. Okay, let's put this here in play so we can have the volume profiles. If only if it was not a Friday and it was a regular day on New York Open, I would take this trade. It's a perfect sweep. Weak fill, and a good reaction, a good retest. Also, we had this good retest. You can see in Orderflow how this was created. And okay, let me see. Here you have it. Okay. So big delta coming in, leaving the point of control on the test, on the weak test. This flip is pretty nice. Retest didn't close above the last point of control. That's not continuation. That's also that they wanna go lower. That's absorption in all levels. So they went in with good delta, with open interest increasing, and the next candle couldn't close above this weak test. Okay, weak test. Sorry. So great imbalance on the way up. These are market orders. Look, they pulled the trigger and they couldn't continue. So that's a perfect sweep. And I would take this if it was on time. But now, like, New York Open can give us so much reaction. Hello, Amar. Hi, Joe. Hello, 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 hello. So I'm thankful that you are all here. I have good stuff. I have a promotion from MingX for all of you guys. If you like it, they're giving some bonus also. And let's see if we can get a trade. For now, we see that open interest now is they pull the trigger here. They are holding here stuff. But look, this is pretty important. From this high with this delta and this high that is higher, what I say always, guys, remember, this type of dips on a sweep is what we like to play. So we see this type of sweeps, we see this type of action in delta. This is good, but on a what I want to say also, you need to have more confluence. Yes, I like this, but ES is having a pretty bullish week. So usually Friday we have this type of moves down, fake out, and then they rally to continue the same direction as all the week. Fridays on equities have this pattern at least 70% of the times. So I don't want to fade that. So usually we see here as they try to puke, they go to point of control or any area. They could also do like this, but then we can see a rally on the afternoon session. So I don't want to fade a swing here before I see what's happening, because I prefer Bitcoin to try to go here, such of support, and then I could long into weekend. I don't like to long a lot in weekend, but for a scalp is good. Okay, so that could be better my play than try to nuke it. But everything is possible. We need to wait what ES does actually to get a decision now. Okay, so yeah, we have a bearish diff playing out pretty nicely. Hello, Kelechi. We were talking about this diff we have on Bitcoin, on this sweep. From this candle, we have a bearish absorption diff on delta. Okay, so this is lower than this high, but delta, this is higher than this high. Open interest here is lower than here, so they are opening contracts into the top. That is bearish, so they are longing the top. Long in the top, we always say that is a bearish confirmation for our short entries, or short in the bottom is our confirmation for our long entries. Okay, guys, so yeah, that's principal. But here on this side, we also have ES pretty holding this. If ES nukes, then yes, this could nuke. But if ES holds here and does the type of fake out we see sometimes on Friday, where he tries to reverse the trend of the week, but then gets all bite or all shorted, depends on the direction of the week. So I don't want to fade that type of moves. What I like here in Bitcoin, I like this level as a retest and hold, or a nuke of this level, retest and go lower, then I can get a small scalp short. Okay, but we need to get a reaction, or also a possible retest of this area, do one more high, and then you have our short. Could be also possible. Okay, so for now we have we have this price action. We will be trading Bitcoin and ES I have ES chart here, I have ES here, but ES for now. Look what a reaction, beautiful reaction here. They fulfilled all this week of this news, and they screaming to the upside. Okay, remember I got this trade on YouTube. This was a 4-hour trade. I got here. These are the execution. I got swept 2 times, 1 and 2, and this was the one that got me the 4-hour. So yeah, let's move on and see what Bitcoin is doing. Also, let's see TPOs. TPOs are, I told you at the beginning, we have these single prints on the bottom, this naked POC, this single prints as a reaction. All this distribution, you see, this got filled already. I don't see these tops are okay. For me, they are okay. At least this one is, I don't like this one because we are seeing now. So in order to have something clear, I will like this to get retested. This value area high would be a area of support. The 91 300s could be an area where price could find such a support. We will see now. Okay. Yeah, I was completely out. I didn't get the full TP, but was a full TP. Yes, we can argue that. I had this. I said I was out because ES was tanking. So remember, ES tanked here. Sorry, ES tanked here, lost the point of control of the day and tanked. So when I see this, Bitcoin was giving sign of something, and then it did the other way. But yeah, I closed it for 1.6 R. So let me show you this. Yeah, I have this Bitcoin long before. This is not open, so this is just. I'm gonna close it to don't mess up with you guys. But yes, I'm gonna show you the post. Yeah. So actually, this was the post, guys. You remember? We had the TP1 hit on Asia. TP1 was hit on Asia, and then yeah, TP1 was hit, and then I closed it here for 1.6 R, a little bit here, where when my 94k was, when my TP was hit, full TP, 1.6 R, and then yeah, because this was filled, so we will get the full TP. So congratulations who are in my long, who held this, because it was a full TP. So I'm pretty happy with my execution on this trade. So yeah, that was pretty nice. And hope you are following my post on Twitter. I like to post. I know I'm posting a lot of trades, gold and ES, because opportunity. I'm a trader, guy. I'm not trying to sell you anything. I'm a trader, so guys, you need to focus now. Okay, 5 minutes for the open. You need to focus on some stuff. Trading. Once you know to trade, guys, you can trade anything with Orderflow. And trading has to be something that goes with your psychology. So you need to get used to lose. You need to get used to fail. You have to not be scared of executing what you see. I trade what I see. I don't predict. So if I see a trade on ES or gold, I take it. If I see a trade on Bitcoin, I take it. I'm not selling anything. I don't have anything for sale. I only have my referral link of BingX for you to help me. But anything else, I'm not selling anything. So I like to live stream, because also streaming with you guys is helping me to trade better, because it's helping me to not disrespect market. So trade accordingly what I see, accordingly with my risk, and not overtrade. I used to have 3, maximum 4 trades a day. Or 3 or 4 trades per session, and then I give away, and I'm not risking double. I'm not doubling my risk. I go always the same risk, and that is helping me a lot. So if you guys enjoying my streams and you enjoy what we are doing, just follow me. Remember to give a like to my videos. Remember to be active on Twitter, and next week I hope I can stream also in Twitter. I'm working with something for you guys, so we will continue from here. Market is 4 minutes from open. And let's see what continues here. Hello, Tungyen. So guys, give a like, okay? Give a like, and please, I appreciate that you are in that you are watching, and let's see if we get a trade in anything, or ES or Bitcoin, okay? Sorry, I was doing so many things. And let me see if I can. So yes, let's see how it goes. Okay. So for now, we have ES trying to pull up the trigger before open. ES has the VWAP here and the volume poke up here. Got two areas of reaction. Bitcoin is stalling a little bit. Okay. Where do I trade ES? I trade ES on prop firm. I use TOPSTEP, Bullenox, and Apex. I keep rotating accounts, and they are prop firms. It's a topic we will discuss. If you guys want, you can ask me privately on DMs. But it's a prop firm, futures prop firms. For me, for trading futures is the best, because trading your own money with leverage, you need so much big capital to trade your own money on futures, more than crypto. So I recommend you use prop firms, and once you have passed your evaluation, you get paid. It's pretty nice. It's a good topic. We will talk any day you want, guys. Let's start the trading. Let's see if I can get my account of Being X, because I would like to take a trade on crypto. I'm trading like you guys. Remember, the guys that joined, I have already partnered with ATAS. The guys that are active and they're depositing on my referral and they trading with Being X, I have a full license of ATAS. That is the program we use for crypto and for ES. This program now is free, but I have the version full for trading futures, and in some months this trading order flow terminal will be paid, so like other terminals. So if you want to have this order flow we looking and we are studying for crypto that now is free, if you are following me and you are trading with me and you do volume on my referral links, I will give it to free to you guys, and this in some months will be paid. So it's important that if you want to get access to this terminal that now is free and in some months it will be a paid terminal, you should start trading with my referrals, giving some volume if you can, if you are pretty active. And then when I see that you are trading with me and you are giving some support, I will give you access, or with your email, to a paid account. So these ATAS accounts are valued in $60 for month, so I will give you that for you for free if you support me, okay? So it's something pretty interesting. Okay, that's been said. I will tell you, if you want to have more info, just text me on DM me, and I will talk with you guys. Okay, that's something interesting I'm gonna give to my community that helps me also. So far so on. Markets are open, guys. Okay, so let me check. Let me put music down. Okay, so yeah, there is. Okay, so yeah, ready to go. Markets are open, wicked up. Let me see if they continue. We have ES trying to wake up into VWAP, getting denied. They front run it for a tick. They front run VWAP for a tick. Usually that happens a lot. Okay. Give a like if you are here also. So let's see what we have. For now, we have ES sitting here, Bitcoin also. Let's see. Are you liking the stream, guys? Let's see if we get a trade. If I'm in a trade, I usually show you guys. You can see here an ATAS, my executions. Being X, I only can show you the when I have open a position. So if I open a position, I will tell you. In order to trade Bitcoin, we want to see a reaction to these levels. So for now, we want to see a reaction this level here. Also a reaction here. I don't know if they will move more than that, and I will see a reaction of that something more or a weak retest here. Also, take in consideration that for now, and we will keep on going. Okay, guys. So yeah, for now, Bitcoin going down, straight down at the open. Nothing new. We know that Bitcoin likes to open and nuke, same as ES. ES rejected VWAP, pretty important. Bitcoin reaching VWAP now. Let's see how we react to VWAP. You see pretty aggressive sellers. You see this is the DOM of the ES S&P 500 here on the right side. You see they're being aggressive on the tape. They're trying to sell this. Bitcoin is following. So we are waiting now, guys. So I prefer to stay a Friday on my hands and wait for a trade. When the trade happens, I need a coffee. But I don't want to lose action. But for now, I need a coffee, guys. Okay, nice reaction, guys. If you wanna be pretty active, give a follow, send it to your friends, whatever. Okay. Pretty. Let's see if we have news. Nice Arthur is coming. Okay. This reaction about front run VWAP because ES got bought back. Pretty aggressive here. Pretty aggressive on ES. They puke delta, negative delta, and then they bought it all up. So that's pretty interesting. But still for me, this is choppy. Because we didn't close any 5-minute candle. Okay, okay. Okay, I like how they are reacting. They holding strong value area low. I'm thinking on giving a try this.
Order placed. Order filled.
I'm giving one here. I'm giving one here. Small long, nothing too crazy. Okay, they pushing. Nice one. Hello, coach. Hello. Why I'm one long here, and I think I'm gonna go stop loss.
Order
Break even.
placed.
Stop loss break even, guys.
Order cancelled.
Because why I stop loss break even? Because we are getting to VWAP again. VWAP can get nasty and reject again. If they reject, I'm out. Okay, my TP
Order placed.
could be point of control. Bitcoin reacting, also being nice here. Let's see how. Okay, you see that delta is pretty aggressive. I like this. They shorted into a bullish div. They shorted into a bullish div. And they can be retested easily. So yeah, ya, tío, pero me quita esto. Mac, me quita esto, bro. Me quita esto. Me quita la mierda. Me quita... O sea, no veo aquí. Y se me hace muy grande. Pero sí, sí. Entonces está empujando. It's pushing now. I like this, how they are acting. Let me see, I need a close. In order to be safe or add to my position, I need to see a close on VWAP. Now this can reject 59. That's why I'm break even and I'm super low. Also Bitcoin. The long was here. I cannot long this because my win ratio, so my risk reward will be shit if I long this on Bitcoin. Because, you see, will be, well, not so bad, but not so bad. Actually, no sé. Es que Bitcoin, sí, pero Bitcoin, I don't want a mistake on Bitcoin. I like ES is going. But look, Bitcoin is rejecting nicely. No. Bitcoin we wait. Guys, Bitcoin we wait. We wait, guys. Congratulations who front ran it BWAT, but who is in long from BWAT, because you could have a play like this on Bitcoin, okay? You could have a play like this. You long it here, the reclaim. You go here to 5 minutes. Let me see how it was in 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, who long it the BWAP, stopping BWAP, targeting a sweep of this is a 2 to 1. So yeah, if you long get Bitcoin here on the retest of VWAP is also nice. Also nice, the lower path deviation in ES held it so much. I'm gonna do what is telling me DMAC. DMAC is telling me that I add this. Bueno, no está mal. Vale, okay, I'm gonna do what DMAC is saying. Here I can see the DOM. So yes, Bitcoin trade was a good trade. Who took it? I didn't took it, but it's a good trade. I would took this into this for a new sweep. Okay, so far so good. Okay, CBD was bullish here. O sea, CBD diff was this one. So you have this high in price, lower than this high, and the delta here, you see. Okay. Mira. Okay. So look this. Okay. So price lower and then higher, and delta higher and then lower. That's a CBD bearish div. So, but that's why I'm a bit scared of longing this. But this price action on ES on the other side, that you're seeing my small long, I don't want to risk, because I'm pretty heavy in profits with my friend Demac this week. So why risk the profits? I done in 3 days, I have done 15 hours with Demac. So why we have to risk the profits now? So yeah, it's a good trade. It's a good trade, this one. Some continuation, a break of VWAP and target POC. I'm momentum trader. I know this can go south on me. That's why I'm break even. And Bitcoin is the same trade as ES, targeting a new sweep of this week. But the momentum is slowing. That's why I didn't get it, because now look my trade on ES. It could go easily to my break even. If I get break even on ES, this trade of Bitcoin will go for a new low. So will be bad. Okay, so be careful. You see, ES is getting new. I don't want to risk more on a Friday, because I had a really big week this week. I posted on Twitter, and I've been doing 15 hours on a week with the Mac. So why we have to risk more? Yeah, so now yeah, I think stop loss on ES will be a hit, and we will look for a possible short play, because if VWAP gets denied like this can be continuation to the downside. Okay, so yeah, and Bitcoin could easily clean this, but was clean. This sweep was clean, was pretty.
Order filled.
Was pretty okay. I'm stopped on ES, guys. This sweep was pretty clean. Was super clean. You see, they sweep with a lot of delta on the top. They get retested. POC gets denied, and perfect. So be careful on Bitcoin. But yeah, Bitcoin is pretty strong. So I think it could go for a new high, and then we can get a short. Okay, that's what I'm waiting. ¿Has visto Demac? No sé si estás en el chat. People, do you like more this camera to here? Like, is better. I think light is better. You can see me perfect. Blanc, qué guapo soy, ¿sabes? And I think it's perfect this like this. Me falta. I need put a image of Wall Street. Could be nice. So yeah, okay, sorry. So they are denying ES, but Bitcoin is holding strong. Be careful, eh? Sign of absorption here. So much madness. So the opening range, the opening 15-minute range, that is something Demac will kill me, but they use this. I don't know why. They use the 15-minute opening range. Was this one? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, this opening range. So now, what this says, that people like to do it, is if we break down, we go short. If we break up, we go long. I don't do that, but is what we call to the opening range 15 minutes. The one that is perfect is the 13-second or 15-second, traded for 40 years by our colleague Pax. But usually for that, you need to trade with a lot of conviction, and it's pretty scary, and you need a lot of contracts. How I only can trade 5 contracts. 5 contracts or micro contracts are shit. So I prefer trade more range. That's why I'm looking this range. This is the opening range. So yeah, let's see what happens. I think we're going lower. But what I tell you, ES likes to continue the weekly direction. So if for the weekly we are bullish, it will go bullish most of the times. Okay, so yeah, let's see if we get a trade, Bitcoin or ES. I don't care. I'm thinking of going for a coffee, and the time I go for a coffee, the move will happen. Okay. Well, this will be recorded. It will be recorded. Remember, you will when we finish the stream, we will have it recorded. Today, in the Friday, we have levels. We have levels on Bitcoin. We have levels now watching on ES, and we will play when the levels hit. I'm gonna go for a coffee. If they move, be right back. Okay, guys, give me 1 minute. Hello, guys. Okay, we're breaking. So pretty SMT now forming, guys. Bitcoin breaking to the upside, trying to attack, and ES breaking the downside. So yeah, opening range format on ES. ¿Qué está pasando aquí? Yeah. Please. Okay, SMT forming. But actually, this range, in this type of price action here, I don't like it. We need to break these lows in order me to see this going lower. Bitcoin going for the attack the highs. Bitcoin is pretty heavy now, eh? Bitcoin is pretty heavy. So congratulations who got this VWAP. This VWAP was beautiful, beautiful. They trapped nice volume here. A lot of longs got stopped. And they reactive buy. But then the next delta, we need one more candle with big delta, or this will get denied. Okay, guys, so if you are enjoying the stream, give a like, please. Give a like, everybody who are new to the stream. Subscribe. I do live streaming every day. Okay, nasty reaction. Bro. Vale. Okay. You see, nasty reaction, value area low, value area high, sorry. Got pretty denied now. Here was value area high for the day. And now ES is pushing to a low. Now is a good one. So what I would do here, I don't want to get trapped, but I want to short this. Fuck, my mic is on the way. I want to short this into the lows. Because, why? We had a weak candle, so I want to short this.
Order filled.
Eh, what the fuck? Why no more? I want to go more.
Order filled.
One more. 4 contracts deep. So
Order placed.
this is a risky play. I'm shorting the bottom, I know, guys. But what I'm seeing for here, I'm seeing attack of this level. Bitcoin also is attacking. So these type of plays are hard, but I like them. So I want to risk also. I'm going short on Bitcoin also, guys. I'm going short on Bitcoin. Let me put it short. I'm going short on Bitcoin 1-to-1. 10% risk. Stop above this candle. And I'm risking 1-to-1. Okay. I like ES. Okay. I'm covering 1 ES now here.
Order placed.
Come on. Sorry, guys. Bitcoin 1-to-1 also, eh? If Bitcoin now gets my risk, I'm risking here. I'm risking only, wait. I'm going not much risk, okay? Come on, give me my TP1, guys. Come on. I know you want the lows. This is risky, guys. This is full momentum trading. If it goes wrong, I can go wrong, guys. I'm able to go wrong. Bitcoin, I'm risking this weak candle. So my entry is a little bit higher than this. I'm risking this, and I'm going 1-to-1 to VWAP. Like this, more or less. If I get stopped, I'm risking only 2% of my account. So I want ES to go for the lows. That's why I played here. And if Bitcoin follows, they will clean this low. It's why I'm betting now. So I know I'm in drawdown, but I'm going for the lows. ES, I'm risking this on ES because they break the 15-minute structure opening range, and I'm seeing that they can go and attack the lows. If I get stopped, I'm good for the stop. I don't care. Well, I care, but it's the trading is like this. So my trade on ES is pretty aggressive, so I can get stopped any moment. Okay, if they bounce this and they say no, because the same principle. If they bounce this, it will be the same thing I told you guys, that usually on Fridays the move follows what the direction of the week. So usually we will have, now the week is bullish, we should have bullish movement. But I like how they reacted, how they wanted to push the lows, and I was waiting for a clean of these lows before that move happened. So if I get stopped, I'm okay with it. And same in Bitcoin principle. If I get stopped on Bitcoin, I'm good with it. Okay? So don't take my trading as I never fail, because I fail. And I want to fail on stream, I don't care, because it's the real thing. You guys are traders, you know you sometimes fail. I'm risking only $100 of this futures account, and I'm risking only 5%, 3% on my crypto account. So take that in consideration, okay? Take your own risk, guys. Yeah, take your own risk. I'm risking the biscuit of the week, okay? And this can go south pretty fastly. But I'm thinking that this rejection of value area high in Bitcoin could take a trade, and this nasty rejection in ES also. But we're having so much volatility, so I don't like that, but it's what it is. It is what it is. Let me see if ES give us the trade. Bitcoin is struggling. If ES goes for the lows, we should get a move also in Bitcoin. Okay, come on, ES. I know you want these lows. I will get one out on the lows and one more out here on these lows.
Order placed.
Okay, that will be my 2 TPs, and then I will leave a runner. And then you will see, like, live trading is like this, guys. I could lose, I could win. I just betting on what I see. And risk management, guys, it's everything I want to tell you, guys. I talked this with Demac also. Where I trade? No, I don't know. I don't know if this gonna play or gonna get wrecked on both. I don't know, guys. I'm just seeing what I want to see, and if it plays, it plays. If it's not, I move to the next. Like real life. Real life is the same. You take stop loss hit, you move to the next one. I don't care if I get stop loss. That will not affect me. You know? So remember that in order to trade and to be in this industry, you need to get more on the risk management, and losses do not get so much in your mental. Okay? And something that is going down, it doesn't have to go up. Is what I wanted to show you guys. So if you see in my screen, no, I'm shorting the bottom. Guys are always waiting for a sweep and long the bottom. And what happens sometimes? It continues going, or you are trying to short every top, and it continues going like yesterday. So this can go perfectly now to my stop loss when I'm talking, but some days it can go lower and lower and lower and lower and lower. Okay? So don't be scared of shorting when you see weakness. Okay? Guys, if you like in the stream, give a like and comment. We are trading Bitcoin and ES at the same time. I'm betting for lower prices. I'm betting, and this could also, if I get first TP would be 1-on-1, but I could get this TP also, would be nice. I'm happy with 4% of my account there, if I get it, but we will see. Because ES is struggling and is finding some sort of support here. I don't like this so too much for my trade. there's been so much volatility. But if you see the 30-minute candle, it's pretty bearish. You see? So let me see if it's pretty bearish on the 30-minute. Let me see if that helps me in order to clean these areas. Okay, they're going for my first
Order
TP.
filled.
Whoa! What happened here? And I'm long? Okay, no, sorry.
Order
sorry.
cancelled.
I got stopped in on a news. And now it's going up. Well, I don't know what happened. So I got
Order placed.
stopped. Let me go. Sorry. Yeah, I got stopped. I got stopped and then insta-longed by news. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna close this.
Order cancelled.
I'm gonna close this. Okay. Whoa. 4 news or something, guys. We had news or something. So we got what? We got $100 loss. You can see it here. Here was $100 loss. And Bitcoin with this news will take me out. Or no, we will see now. But yes. Okay, okay. You saw in real time. Michigan final open consumer sentiment. Yeah. News. Let's see how market digests this. We're still up on the Bitcoin trade. I'm actually down 21% of my 3%. I'm gonna show you guys. Actually, my entry, you see, 262, price in nearly 500. I'm 21% down on this trade. It's a 3% trade, so if I get stopped, 3% of my account. Actually, I think this is gonna. I think if I get stopped and we get trading above this area, I would like to see longs. But if we are not trading above this green area, I'm not looking for longs. I'm looking for longs when ES breaks this opening range. When this gets broken and gets absorbed. For now, what will be bullish? Bearish, and would be good for my trade. The problem is that this news fucked me so much, but if the trade started to close below this VPOC, will be bearish, you know? But this news get me inside the range. So here, for me, is a no trade zone. Okay? So I wanna short this or long this. Okay? This is the two options I want. And Bitcoin, for now, is just wait and see if I get stopped or this trade works. I think if ES now collapse again, my trade in Bitcoin will work. And will be one lose in stream, and I think we can get a win on this Bitcoin trade. If not, I'm happy with my results for the week. You need to see things on perspective and don't see only one trade, because if you are focusing, oh, I failed one, you will be not successful in these markets. You need to focus on the execution of a lot of trades. One trade can go south, and what is one? If you are trading two trades per day, you trade 14 trades on a week. So what is one trade lose? Nothing. This trade can go to stop loss, and if I see another trade up here, I will get it. I don't care. Okay? Remember that. Okay, we are getting the night again on value area high. We are getting the night again on value area high. So, and ES is also closing 80 seconds. If we close under, I'm going in again. We need to close underneath this. And I'm going in again. Okay, we close under. We close under. Let me see the reaction. Okay, this is a reaction I was waiting to happen.
Order placed.
If we break this on candle, I'm going in again. If not, this will go to the upside and they will clear. Oh, and they will clear the wick. And then I will get stopped on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is pretty strong, so be careful. And Bitcoin, I think they wanna cover this week again. So I'm pretty damn scared.
Order placed. Order placed.
So yeah, if this week gets filled and then we go to the downside, I'm going short. So if you like in the stream, just follow me, guys. I do this type of stream every day. Every day. Yeah, I'm looking for shorts on ES for continuation down, but this news is getting so bullish sentiment now. I don't know, that digestion is getting harder and harder, so I'm pretty concerned of what to do. But for me, yeah, I'm going to the downside. And the Bitcoin trade, is too tight to get stopped. Because Bitcoin is strong, they can sweep this and then go. They will sweep me. They're actually going for me. Because ES, yeah, I'm stopped. I'm stopped. Stopped. Minus 3%. Minus 400. Yeah. That's why I like to market short and don't limit up there. Because if they go in, okay, this was a loss. Okay, remember that. I'm gonna show you how much I lose from my 3%. I didn't lose 3%. Yeah, 3%, I think. Let me see. Okay. Okay, 44%. So half percent plus fees. So I lost 1.5% of my account on this trade. So 1.5% of my account plus fees. So I was risking 3% and I lose this. So yeah, I was willing. I lost less than I thought I was gonna lose. So perfect, no problem. And yeah, like I said, ES is trying to go. I'm gonna close this.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Orders. Let's wait Bitcoin here up here. And this side, let's wait for ES to break this opening range and see what happens and reset. And let's see if we can get another trade. If you are enjoying the stream, guys, give a follow, give a like to the stream also, guys. And remember that, and comment, subscribe. I do live trading. I have a private Telegram, where I post my ideas, where I'm pretty active. I'm gonna give ATAS license to traders that are active on my community. So if you wanna be in my community, go to my Telegram group and type there that you wanna join, and I will give you the conditional pretty easily. I don't sell nothing. I only have my BingX referral. So for traders that deposit and trade on the referral, you need to trade. You need to be active there. We'll get that license every month of ATAS that you will be entering on being my students. And remember that this program is now free for crypto, but it will be a paid program for crypto in some month this year. They want to do something similar to Trading Light or to ExoCharts, that is a paid version. So if you want to have it for free, you need to be on my student, okay? So for that said, just follow my Telegram and type me, okay? Follow the stream if you like it, and let's see if we get another live trade. I want to trade Bitcoin, or I want to trade ES trade. ES, if it breaks their opening range, we are going long. if we see a reaction and acceptance of that level. And Bitcoin, I'm shorting if I see a reaction, but this Bitcoin is so strong now, so be careful shorting this type of moves. We are coming from this type of action from a very bullish, and now we have a consolidation here. We have a consolidation, and we break out of consolidation. If we break, we create a new one here, we could go to the upside. So be careful with that, guys, okay? Be careful with that. Bitcoin is screaming to the upside, same as ES. So yeah, Bitcoin breaking to the upside. Congratulations the guys who got the long. Remember, we were speaking of the VWAP long bounce. They front ran for a tick, and now they're going for the upside. Yeah, the play from the beginning. Okay, Bitcoin breaking. Let's see how we see ES. Let's see if we can get a trade on ES. ES going for the value area high, bounced of value area low, supported pretty nicely the volume poke of the day and the volume poke of yesterday. That's pretty bullish. I'm looking for long setups, okay, on ES. I'm looking for a long setup on ES. Let's see if we get it, guys. I would like to break this zone level because now we are bouncing off VWAP. Could be a play. Could be a play. We accepted VWAP again. This is a play for me, guys.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going hard
Order
on this
filled.
one. I'm going hard. I'm going one more. Well, I'm going 3. 3 is enough. I'm expecting a break of this own candle. That was the bearish candle. I'm expecting this break, and I'm expecting a continuation play. Okay, guys, this is getting momentum. I like this one. Let's see if we break this value area high, and we continue trading above the area high. This candle, 30-minute candle, I like how this. So, but it's the 15 minutes. Now we're trading on VWAP. VWAP has to make VWAP support in order to trade this. So I want to see reaction. If I don't like it, I will close my trade, okay? Let's move and see Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin breakout. Oh my God, what we were waiting. I'm going to close this. Remember, I had a stop loss. 1%, 1.5% of my account. And Bitcoin again, so much reaction. But careful. Careful. Why I say careful? I know this is a good short opportunity. It's a sweep of a sweep. Okay, it's a sweep of a sweep. But ES is so strong, guys. So yes, this can get volatile. Okay, can get pretty heavy. Okay. Hope I don't get denied again on ES. Hope I don't get denied again. I will not like to close this, please. ES. Hold VWAP as support, please. Oh, breaking on their own VWAP. I don't like this. 41 seconds. Come on, hold this. I need this to hold. Okay, they try to break VWAP. If they break their own high, I will move my stop here. I prefer, guys, if you like in the stream, all of you guys, give a follow, guys. If you are new, give a like also. You see, Bitcoin is pushing, guys. Bitcoin is pushing, so careful. So much acceptance here of this price, 2K delta. I'm not shorting this. If you are crazy, if you like to short this, congratulations. Who likes to short that? Come on, break the zone high, and I will put my stop loss here. Come on. I would like to put my stop loss underneath this candle.
Order placed.
My stop loss set, this candle is the retest. If they go for this candle, they will get me, and I will be done for the day, okay? If I get this stop loss, I will done in futures. I will not trade more this account. Now I will move on to another accounts, but I will not live stream them. And what I will do, if this goes and denies again in VWAP, then yes, I will be looking for a short on Bitcoin. Actually, yeah, this is gonna get stopped. I know this is possible. I get stopped. Yeah, Bitcoin getting more trap buyers here. This is good for shorts. Look this. Open interest. And ES making me sweat today. Okay. So yeah, I had a bad read on ES.
Order filled.
So yeah, 2 stop loss today. One with news, what my bad. And another one, not continuation, I get retest of VWAP, and now we're going lower. So I'm gonna end. Yeah, yeah. I try to be transparent. Today I got stopped twice. This happens. Choppy day. Once you see this type of action, where you see this type of chop day, stay away. 2 tries. I give 2 tries to the market, and once I get stopped twice, I give up, and I say, okay, market, you win today, no problem. Other days I winning. I had 15 R's this week, so I cannot be 100% right all the time. You need to know that, okay? So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the stream. Give a like, and I will be back next week. If I trade something, or I post something on the weekend, or I do any educational stream, I will post it on my Twitter, or I will tell you guys, okay? Hope you enjoy the stream. Peace and respect, guys. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.